what's up everybody? Welcome to another episode of GenGatorz University. I'm here in one of our little parts and service rooms in our warehouse where we keep some Kohler electronic items, try to keep them more climate controlled, as well as our laptops. And that's kind of what I wanted to talk to you a little bit about today, about our service department and why it's important that when you use a generator shop or you pick a service provider, you pick somebody who's well equipped. Right here I got a Cummins inline adapter, a CAT communication, some Scania and Kohler breakout boxes, and our dongle kits to allow us to plug into almost any unit out there regardless of brand. So our service department is extremely equipped but also brand agnostic, which means, hey, we take care of all of them. Our sales department, hey, you already know from our videos, we're Kohler fans here. But when it comes to service, repair, and maintenance, importance of having a well-equipped dealer. You know, when a Cummins technician is really well versed in troubleshooting procedures and troubleshooting metrics on the electronic side, that really translates over to other brands very quickly. So the aptitude of the technician and agnosticity of branding is super important, so that guys can go through and cross-train each other in all brands, because once a good electronic technician on one brand, it really translates over to others. So make sure your dealer is well equipped with software, equipment, and tools to take care of you when generators are required to perform, when conditions are at their worst, and you need them to be at their best. So for the best in service, give us a call at GenGatorz, GenGatorz.com.